give them out some
All
stuff.
right.
We got some ATV shirts and things.
This is a clean
right here in front of DJ
box body right here.
Give y'all a few seconds.
Woo. Shit.
Bam.
We still got the 5-speed.
What up, SDLA?
Damn.
Team Sunworks.
I don't know what it is, but ever since I moved to Texas, I've been really appreciating the Fox bodies a lot more. Man, this Coyote Swapped New Edge is badass. I'm pretty sure this is a Gen 1 swap. Got the painted Boss 302 manifold. I want to do some Whistler wheels with the Willwood brakes.
I really appreciate that. Anything that you all do.
It's a vert too.
Obviously necessary.
Still got the 5-speed nitrous. Yeah, this is a badass build right here.
You got other groups hosting events on the same day, which, in my opinion,
More the mufflers.
together.
Hell yeah.
That's what it's always been about for me, anyways. So here we are. And y'all are here. So
I approve of this.
you know, y'all are the ones that are home. Right? So thank y'all. Thank y'all for showing up.
Let me know what you guys think about
Today,
that New Edge
we will have,
so far.
We'll do our team games like normal. We got trophies for it.
That is my favorite
Set up
car
right somewhere in the middle here.
at this meet so far.
But we've got those sign ups. They'll be at the tent.
Another Fox body here.
Tug of war, which is just 5 people. 5 people. Just sign up. It's free. We got trophies for it. It's just a lot of fun.
All right.
If you haven't been here before, there's nobody judging your car here today.
It's probably the OEM motor in here
For
too.
me personally, I gave up on the idea of judging people by their cars. And the truth is, some of y'all have had amazing build. Look, man, we need each other, y'all. And
This is
the
clean.
point in Corpus was this. We would rather have them here than their car. That's how you know the car is not worth anything. It's the people. And we don't all have the funds to build team builds. We gotta stop holding each other to
Whew.
the scene isn't about being fully built. It's about participation. It's about being a part of it. Slowly building. Nobody is exactly where they want to be. If anybody here is exactly where you want to be in your life,
This is a clean ass build, and it is still a 5-speed. Yes, sir. These are some serious Hondas right here. I don't even know what motor's on this. God damn. He's spraying that hoe too. Man. Oh my God. These are some serious Hondas. Look at the tire on this thing. So he V6 swapped this. Anti-nitrous. This is actually sick. Plexiglass. Oh jeez, dude. Oh, it's gutted too. This is a badass fucking Honda build. This is sick. Another plexiglass car. Yeah, these Honda guys don't mess around. Damn. Got a nice wagon here. Damn. Another plexiglass Honda. Dude. Yeah, dude, these Hondas Hondas. Probably the most stock looking Honda here. But who knows? You can't even tell. Hey, those Hondas, man, those Hondas are serious business.
Got Subaru. Y'all want to throw some stuff out? Come on. Alright, Gilman Subaru came through with the freaking sunglasses, yo. Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta love the A90. And it's a 6-speed A90.
Understood.
That's what's up.
What?
That's actually the first one I've seen in person that's a 6-speed. Damn.
Oh, this is from the ER? Oh, I totally gave too much props.
That's clean, man.
This is from the ER. No, Subaru got some sunglasses too, though. That's messed up.
That's badass.
Nobody. My bad, dog. Alright, the emergency room that nobody wants to go to gave us the sunglasses.
Look, we got another A90 up here. Let's see if this one is 6-speed.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, now I got some Subaru glasses. Hey, these are dope. Yeah, yeah.
We got the Rays.
These aren't as cool as the emergency room glasses.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot where it was.
Yeah, these cars look damn good. These A90s look damn good.
That almost worked like I wanted it to. I'm gonna try it again though. That was fun. Alright, that's fun.
Ooh, what do we got here?
Yeah. Individual throwing, never again. All at once.
You know what? I like these.
Subaru backpacks.
I like these wheels too. The funny thing is, I know Weld has like a Pro Star. If I do end up getting that, actually, you know what? Let me stop talking. I don't want to spoil anything. I kind of did just spoil it. But those are the wheels I would get.
Oh, Tommy, come on, man. What is that? SCOA is no longer the droppers. It's Tommy from Team Sunworks.
Yeah, the 10R car. This is clean. I like the engine bay.
Oh, sweet.
They dressed it up nice.
Chemical guys coming through with the hat.
You got a
They wanted to know some of
C7Z.
that microphone action, you know what I'm saying? They don't got sunglasses.
Hell yeah.
Man, that's a Thunderbird, yo.
You know, these cars are like a lot smaller in person. They look big, but they're really not.
Boom.
Bunch of Camaros.
What's in there, dog?
This meat's pretty decent, I ain't gonna lie. Got not a lot of cars here. This Mustang is wow. Damn.
Y'all that are here, y'all are here. So let's participate.
Clean 5th Gen Z01.
Barbecue. Sign up at the ATV tent. If you want to do push track races, we do 2 cars, 1 versus 1. We base them on their weight. Just write down what you're pushing and we'll sign up. We'll line y'all all up. What time is it? 11:30. So here by say 12:30,
Gen 1. It's clean. So GT500. Mach 1. Yeah, 10R80. I see a lot of 10R80 Mach 1s. I need that wing on mine. Whew. Need that wing. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that meet. That was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of unique builds there. Definitely not the type of vibe you'd get if you were to go to Post Houston, but it's nice to go ahead and see some different type of cars. Obviously, I think we can all agree. Ooh, what's up here? Ooh, shit. Damn. What I was gonna say, I think we can all agree that that Coyote Swapped New Edge was hands down the best car there, 100%. I mean, it was clean white paint. It's a vert, which, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, the verts hit different. Whenever you see like a built vert, especially a Coyote Swap built vert with nitrous on the Whistler wheels, I mean, man, that thing was clean, because you don't really see nice verts at all. Usually if you see verts, you know, they're in pretty bad shape, because whoever had the vert, you know, obviously they're not really going to take care of it because it's a vert, you know. But when you see a nice vert, woo, that's making some power, man, you gotta appreciate that low key, man, you really do. But something else that was kind of pretty cool about that meet is there's a lot of Mach 1s there, a lot of the new S550 Mach 1s, which I've been seeing a lot more recently. A lot of people do like the S550 Mach 1s. I do as well, but I'm gonna say this, I find it kind of strange that I see a hell of a lot more S550 Mach 1s than I do the 03, 04 Mach 1s. And honestly, I see more 03, 04 Cobras more than I see the Mach 1s. Now, I know everybody wants the 03, 04 Cobra, but in all reality, tell me if I'm crazy, but I feel that somebody that has like an 03, 04 Mach 1 that's built, even if it's just like a Cobra pullout in it, I feel like that's more rare to see than literally an 03, 04 Terminator, because I've only seen a handful of 03, 04 Mach 1s. They're either like in decent condition, you know what I'm saying, like the person who has it, you know, kind of has some type of respect for the car, or they're like 100% bone stock, you know, owned by like a 30-year-old, you know, who either just got it, inherited it, or, you know, some 70-year-old guy who refuses to touch it, which theoretically I do the same thing, because you don't really see those at all anymore. Like, you see S550 Mach 1s a lot more, and those aren't cheap at all. Like, those are like, shit, 60K cars. So damn, and there's a lot of options in 60K price range for, you know, performance vehicles. Usually if people are going to spend 60K, you know, on a American car, it's either going to be, you know, a Z01, or they're going to try to go ahead and just save to get the Z06 Corvette, or they'll have a GT350R or something like that. So I think it's pretty interesting that those S550 Mach 1s are becoming, I'm not going to say they're becoming common, because they're definitely not. I just see them a lot more at car shows now, and it's always in that jet fighter gray too. Always in that jet fighter gray, which is arguably the best color for that car. But I don't know, I thought that was pretty cool. That meet was nice, a lot of nice rides there, a lot of new edges too, so that's a huge W. Oh my god, man, I love the tunnel blast, bro. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh man. And every time I see the hood, like with the hood pins, I'm like, man, dude. The hood pins, I mean, they make this hood look a lot better. I know some people don't like to mess with carbon at all, but I think the hood pins just add that necessary touch that this hood needed. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. This next coming week could be pretty huge, man. Either we get a new whip, order the supercharger for this car and a bunch of supporting mods, or it don't sell and we just continue as usual, which theoretically wouldn't be a bad idea also. So W's all around. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuce.